Hi everyone, welcome back. Like we discussed yesterday, we were having some good trade today in the bank nifty and in the nifty also. As you know, I don't used to trade nifty, but when I see a good opportunity, I took the trade in the nifty. We were analyzing yesterday that we were having a fair value gaps over here, in which I exited yesterday's trade also here. So this was our fair value gap for yesterday, and the fair value gap is valid. We are having a sell side over here and a multiple sell side. This was also a sell side. Okay. So I will just delete the sell side. Just keep in mind that this is also a sell side. So what happened today is morning when the bank nifty, the candle opens in a gap up, it was in a profit booking and it was continuously coming downside. If the buy side was tapping and a reversal would be a great opportunity for us to ride a put option till the sell side or 1:2 ratio. But unfortunately, the buy side didn't tap and it came down, in which we took two trades. So I will just explain my trade. First setup, I was looking for the inversion fair value gaps over here. This was my inversion fair value gap yesterday's, in which I already posted in the front page and in the Telegram channel also that I was targeting, the market was targeting the inversion fair value gap. From there, if a candle closes in a green, we can enter a trade for the long side. This candle forms a green candle, but I didn't took the trade because as per the concept, the price needs to be inside the inversion FVG area and should close above. So this candle forms the green candle and I took the trade over here. After closing this candle was a small retracement and I kept my SL over here. Target was almost this high, but eventually what happened is that in the 15 minutes itself the SL got hit and I exited the position. Okay, after that I deleted this FVG and I was continuously monitoring. I marked the Asian low here. Okay, Asian low and Asian high is over there, let it be. I went back to 5 minutes. By 11:30 the candle was almost nearby and it was continuously moving upwards only. Okay, in the 12:30 when the London session opens, from 11:30 onwards, I will just mark it. Yeah, this was the manipulation session which happened. Okay, this was a manipulation session. Okay, so what happened is that I marked this high as a buy side because the price was in a small consolidation area and a sideways. As per we learned, the London session will be tapping the Asian low or the Asian high which is nearby. So here the nearby is the Asian low. So as per our criteria, we need a condition for us to take till Asian low. But in the 5 minute, we won't get a trade because it is a short area only, nearby almost like 150 points. Okay, so I switched to 1 minute, in which we can see a sweeping over here. After the 12:30 market opens in this range and we were having a sweeping and a reversal we got. Okay, so our concept was here, this sell side also, this was a market structure shift. Okay, the reason is that market went up, came down, shooted upside and it came down. Okay, so we are having a market structure shift in this range with a BOS. Okay, so I marked this fair value gap as my entry. I will show you FVG bearish. Okay, and a retracement also, a fib also I drew over here, I guess. Yeah, here. So this was my setup in which the price need to retrace. I thought the price will be tapping the Asian low, but it didn't. See, multiple times it came over here, but the London session didn't tap the Asian low and it eventually retraced back and I saw a good opportunity also. The reason is that the 0.5 was here and the price was continuously consolidation and I thought, okay, we'll take another risk also if the price is tapping the 0.5 and closing in a red. If the candle was closing in a red, we'll be entering the trade. Okay, so I entered the trade over here, I think in here or somewhere. After closing this candle, I took my enter and kept my SL over here and the target was Asian low. Okay, which is almost 1:1. Yeah, we can say 1:1 ratio. This was my target and within several minutes I achieved the target. Okay, and eventually what happened, the market came down to the sell side. Remember this Asian low. Okay, this was our put trade. So this was our put trade in which we recovered our lows. And what happened, the market was continuously coming downside, which eventually hit the sell side. Okay, I will delete all this thing in the 1 minute trade setup. I don't need it. So as we know, the market was in a consolidation over here. So this is also a sell side, and remember this sell side and this sell side. What happened is that the market was continuously falling and tapped the sell side, and it forms a reversal market structure shift, in which I will draw the market structure for you. From here we'll start drawing. This was the formation. We didn't shorted over in this range because we were in a buy side only. If the market was tapping over here, then the market structure shift over here would have been a great opportunity for us to ride this thing. But we didn't did that because as we know, we are in a buy setup only. Okay. So what happened? Here we are having a market structure break. Okay, a good market structure break over here, and a retracement would be a great opportunity for us to ride till here. Eventually what happened is that Nifty was profit booking, and what happened is that we know this was the all-time high, and when the market opens also this thing swept. And what happened, I will show you. This was a perfect setup. It was a pakka perfect setup. This was, market came here, okay, created a high and an equal low, which is a liquidity area, and today it went up. The market was in this range and it tapped this side and it closed below. Okay, I will draw this one also, let it be. So what happened in Nifty is that we are having a good MSB over here, market structure break over here, with a good displacement over here also, in which the market retraced back and closed the candle in a red. We could have entered the trade over here and kept our SL over here with a good target. First target over here, second target over here. Okay, this is the nearby liquidity area, this is the second liquidity area. We didn't took the trade even though the Nifty was in a profit booking, and that's the only reason Bank Nifty was also in this shooting upside and downside. This again went back and it was like the Fibonacci area, golden zone, I guess. I will just draw it. Yeah, it eventually shooted up to the golden side where there was a fair value gap, and it again shooted backside to the sell side. Then it was continuously bouncing. It was like a upside downside, hitting both SLs of the retail traders. But like I said, we didn't took the trades in the Nifty. I just took the trade in here only. By closing this inversion somewhere else, I took a trade and grabbed 20 points. It was really good one. Okay, I will explain Nifty later. So let's come back to Bank Nifty, in which the 15 minutes we were having a bullish FVG, which become inversion FVG after the market was dropping. So I marked this as inversion FVG. So what we learned is that the market should close in red, even though this low should have been taken. The market formation is like bull setup. We got a market structure shift, we got a liquidity sweep, we got a market structure shift, and a retracement is good for the further upside. But eventually what happened, we are having another fair value gaps in this buy side. See, this was our fair value gap. We were having a bullish fair value gap in which the market closed below, which became an inversion fair value gap, but the market didn't react over here. Even though if it was reacting, we would not have shorted because this low should have taken for further downside. Even though this low was sustaining very good, so it was continuously upside moving, and I was looking only for a call side. So tomorrow what happens is that if a green candle is closing above this range, we can expect a rally till buy side. Okay, and a reversal also. I hope the Nifty will be sideways only Monday. Bank Nifty on Monday may be continuously rallying till the buy side if the inversion FVG is holding. We are having a bullish FVG also over here. We are not marking that today. We'll be just keeping the inversion FVG, and a green candle will be good for us to go to the buy side. So this is the perfect setup for the Bank Nifty for going long side. The market will be like, I'll just draw the path. Okay, I am expecting something like this only. I will be entering call if the 15 minutes candle is closing here, and I will be riding till here. That depends upon the candles and patterns, and if I am getting a reversal, I will be taking the put trade also. Okay, in the call side, I will be targeting this much. I will be keeping my SL over here only because this is the low which is a valid for us to further downside. So in Nifty, we can see a inversion FVG over here. We are having an inversion FVG in which the market didn't closed above this side. Instead of that, what happened, the market came to the sell side, it shooted upside, but it didn't close above the inversion FVG. The very next candle, like we always used to trade, the candle closed below the inversion FVG, and we could have entered a trade over here and kept our SL over here, maybe here or here. That depends upon the price action. and the target will be over here only 1:1.5, or you can say 1:3 or 1:2. Okay, that depends. The price action needs to be depends. I don't know further downside or anything, but I will be targeting this area in the Nifty because we are having some inversion FEGs over here in this range. Okay, we are having multiple, I guess. Yeah, we are having multiple inversion FEGs, so the price will be coming to this range on Monday, I guess, if the inversion FEG is sustaining that much. We are having a bearish FEG also here, like this. We are having a bearish FEG also. If the candle is closing in red also, you can take a trade till here by keeping an SL over here. So this is the setup on Nifty on Monday, which is a good one for going put side. And in the BN, like we explained, the buy side should be tapping. The buy side should tap, then a reversal will be good for us to go further downside. So that's all for today. I hope I will meet you guys Monday. Thank you.